Now I finished back step 120 centimeter long, and I will assembling with back body. I did this side and I show you how to do. Put in this hole inside, and after this short side in the middle, skip here 4 stitch and put inside here and come out this side. This side are finished, but I will show you this side. Okay, now I have this and put inside here the second hole. This is one part, the first part, the second part I put inside. Slowly push and this short side I divide to this four stitch in the middle, so I insert step inside this hole first. And 4 stitch, make hole here, insert here, and come out the second pop here, second hole. So in this way, like this. But if I do like this, I wanna put the end to end together, and I want put inside, so I take this side the end here, put inside. So I will connect put together here inside. So you have make this side, hold this side and this side together. After, put together this end together.